just need to upload something and then test it on YouTube, and then maybe I'll know if it works on YouTube. I've not actually listened to my own recordings, so because I listen to them on the computer. Is that music too loud? That's at level 2. You can't go down any farther without muting. I don't understand. No understanding. So this is our kitty, and she has decided that my desk under this hot lamp in a house without air conditioning, this is the coolest, safest, yummiest place to be. And this is why no art is getting done, because we love her so much and we care about her so much and want her to feel safe and loved that we don't bother her. So this is her spot for now. We're going to get into the art, and hopefully there's enough desks. Maybe their desk. Yay! Desk. Desk. She's like 10 years old. Please let her be. She's our queen. She tells everyone what to do and gets pissed off you if I talk. She's just gonna sleep. I love her fur because it's white underneath and calico on the tips, and it's really cool. The doctors thought it was cool too. We've taken her to the vet, and they're really impressed with her personality and how sweet and gracious and kind she is. So we just love her so much. Her tail's just like... Now it's just like this. It's really weird. It's really hot. Let's get this going. This is like take 20, I guess, but we're uploading this one to YouTube. So if you are hearing this on YouTube, it's just me doing a sound test, because for some reason when I play it back on the computer, I can't hear the sound. But when I'm recording it, it's so loud in my headphones that it's hurting my eardrums, like massively bad. So I don't understand, even though I have the volume down really low. Let me check the headset themselves. Nope, it only has a mute button. Yeah, so anyway, welcome to the channel. This is Sketchbox Reviews. I used to have a banner up there, and I kind of removed it because I'm not liking it. But if we move the logo, you can see it's ink and whistle. This is also Renee Owens. And I should just have like a little trim thing on the bottom or top or on the side or somewhere that says all the brands we're representing today. But right now, today it's just Sketchbox, and we're gonna review some products and then unbox the August Sketchbox and do an art lesson before my husband wakes up and there's all kinds of noise in the house. Anyway, I'm gonna stop this here, and I'll be right back